Welcome to the theory of psychosocial development by Erik Erikson. Before we proceed, let us get to know more about Erik Erikson. Who is Erik Erikson? Erik Erikson was a German-American developmental psychologist and psychoanalyst, known for his theory on psychosocial development. So take note of the word psychosocial, of human beings. He is renowned for his concept of the identity crisis and for expanding upon Sigmund Freud's theories of development. Actually, ang kanyang inspiration talaga ay si Sigmund Freud. However, in-expand niya pa yon. Erikson's work emphasized the social and cultural aspects of personality development across the lifespan, introducing 8 stages of psychosocial development that cover from infancy to hanggang saan? Late adulthood.